Long Island City, how did we do Q1 of 2024? Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, ChrisNewtonRealEstate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. Welcome to the Movement Memo. I coined that phrase, it's mine. Thank you so much. Don't steal it. And if you see somebody else steal it, you know they got it from me. And guess what? If you saw them with it before me, it was just in my mind, and they found a way to infiltrate my mind and steal it prematurely. Don't worry about that. We're here. Long Island City, how did we do? Co-ops. We sold 7 co-ops so far in 2024 Q1. Again, Q1, January 1st to March 31st, we sold 7 co-ops. How was the price point? $597,000, not too bad. This is typical for Long Island City. Price points aren't super high, especially in the co-op market. We do a lot of volume. The price points aren't the highest. So $597,000 is very good for that area. Days on the market, 80 days on the market, not bad at all. Under 3 months to get from listed to under contract. Again, in some MLSs, it really might be from listed to sold. This just happens and interchanges. We never know. 80 days on the market is not bad at all. That's amazing. Great. Congratulations on that, Long Island City. LIC, I see you. Woo! That was kind of fire. Don't steal that. Condos. We sold 58 condos in Q1. 58. Again, we do a lot of volume in Long Island City. Price points aren't the highest. However, we do a lot of volume. Price point, average price point, $1,230,000. That's great. 53. So this is over $53 million in inventory on average was sold in Long Island City in the first 3 months. That's crazy. That's great. A lot of money to be made in Long Island City. 127 days on the market. Amazing. I really don't like when it goes over 3 months. However, this is not bad for Long Island City. Do not get discouraged whatsoever. Let's continue. Townhouses, there aren't a lot of townhouses. We sold one. We sold 1 townhouse in Long Island City. What does that mean? That's it. There's not too much happening over there as far as townhouses. Price point, $1 million and $1.25, so $1.25 million. Average days on the market, 0. How did this happen? More than likely this happened because it was already on the market in 2023, and then it just boom. Soon as January 1st hit, we got in contract. So now it doesn't really retro. It doesn't really go retro like that, not to my understanding. And then it just happened. Or the marketing was just that great the same day, maybe just like, the stars aligned, and just that same day that they put on the market, somebody saw it and they just wanted to snatch it up like that. It could happen. It got under contract immediately. It happens. It happens. It's very rare, but it happens. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. If you guys found this entertaining, educational, and even just amazing, please like, please comment, please subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. The Movement Memo is here. Welcome to another one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.